Our training is organized into 5 days, 5 1-hour sessions each day. And if you're an overachiever and you like to binge it, you can do it in a day. Day one, it's all about assessing your dog, your desires. We're going to have you go and fit for a training collar and also go out and get a couple training tools, which I'll share with you. Day two, setting goals, expectations, results. Two skills we're going to work on in day two: the sit command and walking on the leash. Day three, understanding psychology, behavior modification, communication. I'm going to teach you how to talk dog. Also, in day three, we're going to do the short and long come command. Very, very important to have your dog safely be able to come to you on a command or a hand signal. Day four, training corrections, praise, tools. The fourth command is answering the door with purpose when people come to visit you. Day five, it's a wrap up. We're going to have a pet pledge, a little commencement, 3 habits, 30-day challenge, and the global good dog system fits together to function properly and dependably. And I really want us to have fun during this training.